Woo! Sorry about that. A few disclaimers. If you're like, Aliyah, if you're doing a makeup video, why isn't it like one of those quality makeup videos you used to do like over the summer? Well, kids, it's because my camera's broken and I'm not doing well. So you're watching this on Disney Channel. Disney Channel, don't sue me. You're watching this on my phone, from my phone camera. You know, we're doing the best we can. It doesn't matter if we're not doing well. We got to keep pushing, keep moving forward, because that's what Walt Disney said, right? Yeehaw, everybody, it is me, Aliyah, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, something crazy amazing has arrived in my mail. I guess I'll show you. Wow! I got the James Charles and Morphe palette, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So you get it, and then it comes like this, and it's so beautiful. It says Morphe x James Charles because, you know, it's Morphe and James Charles collaboration, you know. This. It's so beautiful. Like, look at it. It's like a Morphe 35B, but times a million trillion. Sorry, I already used it, but not for this look. And you get this with all the shades. I'm gonna use this maybe to tell you what I'm using if I feel like it. You know, it's just I got pink in the white. Oh my gosh. Oh, these shadings are the cutest. Okay, sorry, I got shook up.
I'm just curious to know, when the frick did you start ever saying shook up?
You know, 39 shades. I'm not trying to be like all the other makeup videos because I feel like that's canceled and no one cares anymore. I'm sorry. But I feel like it's not as funny anymore. It's not as fun to watch anymore. I had a very fun time reacting to the palette when I first got it, and it covers like the swatches. So I'm gonna insert my Snapchat story from yesterday when I got it. So enjoy!
Guys, guess what's in the mail? Oh.
Ooh, Spider-Man. Not cute.
My palette!
I accidentally just dropped it on the floor, so oops. Excuse me. So yeah, that was my experience getting the palette. I was very excited, and I still am very excited because I have a lot of looks to do. And I told you guys on my Instagram, if you want to follow my Instagram, it's aliyqh. I was gonna recreate this look and this look, but life's too short to recreate looks, and I honestly don't feel like doing the same thing over again because what does that do for my creativity? It does absolutely freaking nothing. So I'm gonna start another look because I want to be a cloud, so I'm gonna do a cloud look. I sound like Ariana Grande. Just a disclaimer, I'm using a concealer to prime my eyes, which you're not supposed to do. You're supposed to have an actual eye primer. I left it at my sister's apartment. I'm using like a small amount. Hopefully it won't do too much damage to the shadow. Because I used the palette yesterday, and I feel like they're all, even though he was saying like some of them are like harder to work with, I feel like the only shades that are harder to work with are the orange and yellow, but that's just because you need like an actual eye primer, and I just don't have that with me. You can tell that packing them on versus like just straight up like blending them in your eye works way better. Packing them on works way better than the straight up just blending it in, I guess. I don't know. And I'm so annoyed because I did my face makeup first because I just wanted to do my eyes. Sorry, you're gonna hear cars driving by because I'm literally doing this right beside my window that's right beside the street. So, love that for us. Oh, I had to do my face first, which is disgusting. I hate doing my face first because it just feels absolutely wrong. I just feel like you should do your eyes first because that just makes sense. My blush is uneven. I just feel gross. I don't look my best. And I'm honestly really hungry right now. And there's a pizza in my freezer like that's supposed to be put in the oven. And I really want to eat it right now. And I'm making this video. And I'm kind of scared that I'm making this video because I'm just scared how it's going to turn out. And I'm really scared to edit. But here I am because I love you guys, and you know, this is my dream. YouTube is like my thing, and I just want to really get it going, you know? And I gotta do this palette for you guys, because I know you want to see it, and I know I want to see it too, so. Suffering. So now I'm gonna put white on, and just to set it, oh no, I gotta remember to only just do one eye, because I don't want to do both of my eyes, because I'm pretty sure no one wants to see that. So that's a lot of editing for me, and a lot of watching for you, so we won't do that. Yeah, but like with this, you can tell that like it's better just to pack it on. It's already been 8 minutes and all I've done is put white eyeshadow on my eye. Oh man. We're going to do a cloud look. So I really just want to be blue. Now I was going to recreate the orange flame look that I did on my Instagram, aliyqh. But I don't want to do that anymore because it's just annoying to repeat things that you've already done before. Like it's like when you say a sentence twice, it's just not worth it. So I'm going to use the shade... the flip Playground, which is this beautiful blue right here. And I'm gonna put it in the beginning of my crease. I'm gonna like fade it and then do white. I'm gonna cut my crease. Oh my gosh, I'm cutting my crease. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's fine, it's fine. Everything is fine. Aliyah, you're so fine.
Yeah, you are. Yep.
So Playground. Pretty. It's very pigmented, especially when you build it up like that. You can see that like literally. I barely even needed to put as much on as I did. Like kind of regret how much I put on actually because it was a lot. So guys, how are you doing? I'm like actually really not doing well. I think something is wrong with my hormones because I'm fine and then I'm literally not. And I don't know how to describe that. I thought someone was pulling into my driveway. I was about to fight. I was like, I have brush cleaner. I'm going to fight you. Yeah, that's how that works. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Cola, which is a deeper blue. And I'm going to just ombre it here. I hate that, like, at least for me, my experience on Instagram is, like, no one cares about the fun looks. Like, everyone just wants to see you be basic, which really is annoying because I'm like, why do you want to watch me be like everyone else? Like, why does that interest you so much? It's actually quite disgusting to me, and I'm always offended by it. I think recently my looks have been doing better that are not normal, but like I would post something that was like the slightest bit different, like literally barely even anything compared to what other people do, and people just don't like it. I'm like, are you afraid of originality? I'm sorry that I shook your little basic boots. That was so aggressive. I'm sorry. It's not cute. Like, why does everyone want to be like everybody else? It's not fun. How are you supposed to be anything in life if you're like everyone else? Is this pretty? I don't know. Am I even talented? Oh my gosh. I'm spiraling. This is good. You see? I have talent. And it's even still working pretty well, like considering the fact that I only have been using, like that I only have concealer and not actual. My neck is strained. Ouch. As you can see, like I'm packing it on and then barely blending it out. So now I'm gonna cut my crease and cry. I genuinely hate this with all my heart and soul. Like, you know how Nick Jonas sings music's in his soul? Crying is in my soul when it comes to cut creasing. Did I just make that a verb? I'm gonna use my ColourPop concealer, you know, that's what I always use. Just can't use anything else or else it's a sad day for us kitty girls. I'm sorry, I don't know. Let's go. Or Lego, as Chris Brown would say. I'm sorry. Okay, almost a good cut crease. There's just a gap that I made like a dent in my crease. I should fix that as soon as possible. ASAP Rocky. Ah! Do you see that? I can fix it. I can fix that. I'm only doing a half cut crease because those are what I like. So now I'm going to set it, and I'm going to use white because I just want it to be white because we're a cloud and clouds are literally white. And I'm just going to pack it on. So that's all you can do with white, you know what I'm saying, ladies? Oh my gosh, literally look how that built up on my eye. That was crazy. Pretty wild if you ask me. Ooh. This is really nice. It looks a lot more white on camera than it even does in person. So that means that these pictures are going to be bomb, and I'm more than ready for that. Now I'm going to go back in with Cola, and I'm going to get this small blending brush right here, and I'm going to just fade it into the white, bro. And I definitely just used way too much. So now I'm kind of scared. I'm going to use a little bit of Spooky, which is the black, just to deepen it, like the tiniest bit, because this is pigmented. And now I'm going to go back in with Cola, like a small amount, and then pat it like this. I'm just like starting to ombre it back into the white, and then I'm gonna get a Playground. I'm already remembering the names. Oh my gosh. It's probably because they're like relatable names, not like weird. Do I look nice and cloudy with the chance of meatballs? I'm sorry. Give this video a big old thumbs up if you think that I'm weird, because I think that I am. Sorry, my mom called me. I'm gonna do my other eye, and then we'll be back and ready to play. Hey guys, I'm back. So I did my lashes and I did the under eye this one, so I'm gonna show you what I did. I'm gonna go in with Cola. Oh, I also put white on my waterline. So Cola on the outside corner, and then I'm gonna go in with Playground. Playground, you just have to pack on. It's better to pack than to blend. My eye is being not nice to me. It keeps watering because I put the lash on wrong. And then to deepen Cola, I'm going to get a little bit of Spooky and just go like, not in my waterline, but like right on the brim of my eye. And just pat on some black. Let's put some color on my in my eye corner in the brow bone. You know. So on the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use the color Hello. Pretty cute. It's like a light blue, and it's like faint, but it makes a statement. You know what I'm saying? She's definitely saying hello. Okay, yeah, I really like that. And then I'm gonna put the highlight shade Face on my brow bone because it's really, really good. So you can't even see it, but like I swear to you, I use it as highlight on my face, and Alice sister shook. I'm sorry, that was very disgusting and not fun. It's time for the part that I don't know what I'm doing. This means that it's gonna get pretty entertaining. So you know those looks where like the makeup is literally in the middle of their face and comes up? I'm gonna do that, and I've never done it before, but I've always wanted to. So we're gonna try it out. No better time than to try it with the Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. You know what I'm saying? So, ow, that hurted. What I'm gonna do is make myself feel like a cloud. So I'm gonna start with Playground as my base for this, and I'm going to just start packing it on my face. I don't really know if I want it to touch my eyes. I don't think I want it to, so I'm not going to. I think I want it to just look like a literal cloud. Genuinely have no clue what I'm doing. That's what makeup is for, right? Just to play. I'm sorry, I'm literally so freaking quiet. I just have no clue what I'm doing right now. Do I look like a cloud? I just kind of look like something. I'm kind of scared. I'm doing this thing where like I don't know what I'm doing, but it looks like kind of stipply like a cloud. So now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to do it with Cola. I'm panicking a little bit because I'm really not sure what I'm doing right now. I was really about to panic and I was really about to cry because I really did not want to be filming a whole video like this and then flop. Because I've been sitting here for a minute trying to get this ish done. You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of looking at one of James' looks that he did that was like with purple to see like how he went about it. I'm scared for me. just gonna keep trying. I don't think it looks terrible. I'm just really confused and don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm starting to see it. I feel like Dora Explorer. Can you find the clouds? Me neither. I love being a certified makeup artist and not knowing how to do makeup. I love not knowing how to speak English. I love being a certified makeup artist and still not knowing how to do makeup. I guess it's just my brand. Just being an absolute failure. So now I'm gonna get white flashback, which is the white, and I'm gonna pack that on too. So we have some dimension. Okay, that made it look better. We have clouds, ladies and gents. Wow. I'm sister shook, sister surprised at myself that I just kind of did that. I don't want to stop. I'm very excited for myself. Do I look like clouds? I think that I look like a sky. I think I look like Ariana Grande's favorite color right now, which is cloud. So now I'm going to get some glitter. Guys, I'm actually okay with this. This video is going to be 10 years long. I can't wait to edit this. I'm so excited for this, guys. Before I do the glitter, I'm gonna go back in with Hello and highlight my nose with it. Wow. I think I'm done. Like that concludes the tutorial, everybody. It was really fun hanging out with you guys. Ah! I'm a cloud. I'm a cloud. I am not the sky. I'm just a cloud. All right, I'm gonna get this glitter. It's from this place called Bulk Glitters, and I've had this glitter since I was literally like 16. I'm 19 now, so cool. I'm gonna put it on my face. It's like little sparkly dots. So glitter, that sounds like what glitter is. So I'm gonna just kind of dot them on my face. So like they're like stars, and hopefully it looks good. I should make a constellation. I mean, like I shouldn't, but it sounded like a good idea. But I think, you know, the effort required to do that is a little more than I would like to contribute. So sorry. I'm proud of myself. I did something fun. Because look what happens with the haters. Not physically, but like figuratively. You just do things and you thrive. Now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna just line it with a brown pencil and then put some gloss on top. ABH Amber lip gloss from like their fall collection from like 10,000 years ago. Now I'm gonna put this lip lacquer on from e.l.f. My eyes are crying, but we did it and I made it through. I really didn't think it was gonna turn out this good. I'm really happy with myself. You know what, guys? This is a testament that if you really try and if you just push through the self-doubt and you push through the struggle, you can achieve your dreams. You can achieve a cloud look like this. Like, what the f? I don't do this. And I just did it. And I think it looks good. My mind might change in 5 minutes. But for now, I'm very pleased with myself. Let's talk about palette very quickly. So like I said, this is a James Charles palette, 39 shades. I think it works very well, even to say that you need the eyeshadow primer because I use my concealer. The only thing is like the white got a little bit creasy, crumbly, but like I said, you're supposed to have an eyeshadow primer and I don't have it, so it's not my fault. Well, it is my fault. That's the problem. It's my fault. But yeah, definitely recommend this palette. It's like every shade is $1. It's $39 for 39 shades for $39, which is like, y'all be getting other palettes and it's like $40 and it's like not even like half of the shades or half of the like number of shades that you get in this. So like I'm just saying, like, it kind of makes sense to get it. You can use it for like colorful fun looks, or you could literally use it every day. So you're just kind of set for life. I really don't smell good. That's not the point of the video. You should buy it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. James Charles, I hope you see this and I hope you love this look, and I love you and thank you so much for this amazing palette and inspiring me to unleash my inner artist once again because it's been a minute. And yeah, I will see you guys next time, probably with another look. Okay, bye. I hope I said yeehaw at the beginning of this video because I really can't remember right now. Okay.